Hi guys, we wanted to explore Chamundi Hill at evening time, so we have come during evening time. So just I have finished exploring Chamundi Hill, so I will just show you the look, how it will be, and what all to plan before you come to Chamundi Hill, because this is COVID times, and I see that there are a lot of people here. So come, let's go. Parking system to Chamundi Hills has really improved a lot, and like as you see, there is a multi-level parking available. Earlier days, this was the route that we used to enter to the Chamundi Hill, but now we can directly go towards the parking. So the way towards Mahishasura is closed. So if you want to have a look here, so you need to come right away from the parking towards your right. So then you can reach this spot. Also, when you come towards left from your parking, you can see a lot of shops here, so you can do street shopping. So from small dolls to some household materials to everything is available here. So for ladies, you can buy bangle stores, even fancy stores, and also like the wooden crafts. Everything is put up in this lane. Also, this tend to be a bit crowdy, so try to maintain distance from people. And also you have sweaters available here, so the different ranges are there, so you can also do the shopping right here. So once you step out of shopping lane, you have food lane, so you can eat something over here if you are hungry. If you proceed further, then you have shops for where you can buy offerings to the temple. This video was shot around 9 p.m. in the evening. So this is also the Sunday crowd. So if you want to visit Chamundi Hills, then it's better to visit on Wednesdays and Mondays. That's what I heard from the locals. So usually it's less crowded over there. And if you come in the evening times, it's quite cool because there is a lot of heat at daytime. So you will be easily tired. There is one more ritual that usually people coming here perform. So if you can see, this is right in front of temple. So if you make a wish and offer a coconut here, they say that your wish will come true. So you make a wish, say that you will come next time, and then whenever your wish is fulfilled, you can just bring the coconut and break it at this place. So this coconut will be used for cooking purpose later by the temple. So you can see the queue system here. It's quite crowded, so we didn't wanted to go inside because of COVID situation. So we just stood outside, and you can also pray to God from this point. From here also you can see the main deity here. So once you have a look, then maybe you could proceed further for the viewpoint. So you can see, if you observe, there are a lot of monkeys over there. So whenever you are there, just try to observe if it is in the evening. So there is also a lot of monkeys during daytime. You have to keep your belongings safe so that they don't snatch it from you as well. So yeah, next would be the viewpoint. So this is the viewpoint. It's usually crowded at the normal viewpoint. What I would suggest is please come towards the exit of towards Nandi point. So there you have a beautiful view. It's not crowded, there are no people. You can actually sit down there and watch this mesmerizing view of Mysore. So you can also spot the palace from here. So yeah, that was all about the viewpoint. And if you proceed further in this route, you will go to the Nandi point. So I can show Nandi point as well at this time. So it's really dark and nobody is here. It's already closed, and there are no much people to be seen. So we just decided to walk till the Nandi and then just get back. So if you're coming here, please be very careful. So a lot of animal movement like leopard movement has been spotted here. So since there is no people also, there are high chance that the leopards may come out at night. So be careful at this point. Yeah, that's the view of Nandi. That was all about a night drive to Chamundi Hill and to the viewpoint and to the Nandi point. I hope you guys like this video. I'll be back next week with some exciting places.